Sri Gurubhaya Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Children, last class we have studied about the deficiency diseases of carbohydrates, proteins and its symptoms. Now today we are going to learn about the deficiency of vitamins, symptoms and functions. Now let us recall what we have studied in the last class about the types of vitamins. Vitamins are broadly classified into water-soluble and fat-soluble vitamins. Vitamin B group, vitamin C comes under water-soluble vitamins. Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K comes under fat-soluble vitamin. Vitamin B group includes vitamin B1, B2 and B12. Let's get started with the first vitamin. Lack of vitamin in the diet causes various diseases. The sources of vitamin B1 are mushroom, spinach, tomato, yeast, etc. Egg, milk products, and green leafy vegetables are the rich sources of vitamin B2. The sources of vitamin B12 are fish and dairy products. Now we are going to see about the functions of vitamin B1, B2 and B12. The main function of the vitamin B1 is conversion of carbohydrates into energy. Vitamin B2 helps in the formation of tissue and keeping the skin and mouth healthy. Vitamin B12, it helps in the formation of the red blood cells. Let us learn about the deficiency diseases and symptoms of vitamin B1. The deficiency disease caused by vitamin B1 is beriberi. It is characterized by weak muscles and less energy in body. Its symptoms are nerve inflammation and improper functioning of heart. Deficiency diseases and symptoms of vitamin B2 is skin disorder. It is characterized by cracked lips, throat swelling, bloodshot eyes. Anemia is a deficiency disease caused by vitamin B12 and its symptoms are weight loss, tiredness and irritability. Next is the vitamin C. The rich sources of vitamin C are citrus fruits, sprouts and potatoes. Scurvy is the deficiency disease caused by vitamin C. It is characterized by bleeding gums and loss of teeth. Functions. It helps in healing of wounds and maintenance of bones, cartilage, teeth and gums. So far we have studied about the water-soluble vitamins, vitamin B and C, its deficiency diseases, symptoms. Now we move on to fat-soluble vitamins. First come vitamin A. The rich sources of vitamin A are carrot, oranges and green vegetables. Function. It helps in maintaining healthy skin, night vision and normal development of bones and teeth. Night blindness is the deficiency disease caused by vitamin A. Symptoms are impaired vision in dim light, dryness of eyes. Next is the vitamin D. The sources of vitamin D are liver, sea fish, egg yolk, etc. Function. It helps in the formation of bones and teeth. Rickets is the deficiency disease caused by vitamin D and its symptoms are softened and deformed bones. It can easily get fractured. Next comes vitamin E. The rich sources of vitamin E are almond, peanuts, and sunflower oil. Nerve damage is the deficiency disease caused by vitamin E. Functions of vitamin E are it improves the functioning of the reproductive system and the formation of red blood cells. Symptoms: hair loss, muscles weaken, and legs cramps, etc. Last vitamin is the vitamin K. All green vegetables are rich sources of vitamin K. Function: it aids in blood clotting. Blood clotting means to stop bleeding. Hemorrhage is a deficiency disease caused by vitamin K. Symptoms: uncontrolled bleeding and easy bruising. I hope you have understood the concept that we have discussed today. Thank you, children.